Sammy. Alright, so in this tutorial I will show you how the interface of Canva works. Okay, now when you open your Canva, download Canva and you open it, you'll be required to register with your Gmail, and then take it to this point. This is the interface of Canva. Now Canva is very simple to use. Okay, now all these things you're seeing, first of all, let me start from this point. Let me start from the home. This is the home page. This is the home page. All what you are seeing now, all these things you're seeing that are displayed are called templates. All these things you're seeing are templates. Okay, they are templates. Look at, if I scroll down, you have templates. Now templates are simply already made designs that you can edit and suit to your own tastes. So even as a novice, you can work with templates and create something amazing. Okay, why this point you're seeing, these recent designs are works that I have done. Okay, these are designs that I've done. If I scroll like this, you see designs I've made now, but that's not what I'm portraying at now. Okay, now then we have projects. These projects are the works that I've done. For you won't see anything, so don't worry. Okay, for me now, you will see the different designs I've made. Yeah, different designs. I have another Canva account. Okay, because so this is a new one, so you won't be seeing much here. Then templates. Now these templates, I've already said, are the already made designs that you can actually model from. Okay, so for example, now I can search for anything. Okay, I can search for anything. If I want to design a flyer, I can come here. This is the search button, the search bar where you search for anything. You can see search thousands of templates. You come here and you can come here and click here, and you see all the templates that we have in Canva. We have so many kinds of look at all the templates. So if it is for business, I want to look at what do you want to design. Look at, you get it now. Okay, so if it is a calendar or letterhead or anything you want to design, you just type on it and just hit it, and then search for the to give it out what you want. Or you can come here and search. Okay, you can come here and type business flyer. If I come here and type business flyer, it will give me, and hit the enter button, search button, it will give me different kinds of flyers. Okay, different kinds of flyers. It will give me different kinds of flyers. Okay, so I'll just wait for it, and I'll make sure that your data is on, because it works with data. So you can see now, look at different types of flyers. So I can actually edit all these flyers. Now these are already made templates. Now you can edit all these flyers. You can tap on it and edit it. Okay, so that will be shown to you in the next tutorial when we start working. I'm just showing you how it works. Now this Canva, it has, now I'm on the pro version of it. You can see. For you now, you may not see this thing, but don't worry, I will show you how to get access to the pro version. So after this, after watching this tutorial, okay, you just drop your email address and I will add it to my team and give you access to the pro version. The pro version gives you access to all the templates there. I also send a video on how you can differentiate between the normal Canva and the pro version. Now having said that, now let's now go to Canva itself, now to the tools now. Okay, so this plus that you are seeing here now, look at this plus you're seeing here is to, if you want to create a new project. So if I click on plus now, look at, I would actually input the custom size. Simply means the size of my the flyer or what I want to do, the size. Okay, so normally it's 180 by 180. 180 by 180 is the square size. That's 1:1, what we use for Instagram, or we use for basically for flyers. So that's it. So just tap on it or click on create new design. So it will not bring you to the interface, your workspace now. So this is your workspace actually now. So I want to show you all the tools that we have on Canva. Now this is your workspace. Okay, so this is your workspace. You have just wait for it to load. Now this is your workspace. Okay, so when it loads now, you see something like this. Just click, just go back. Oh my god, I don't want to go back, sorry. I have to go and open that stuff again. So let me click on plus and do it again. Click on plus and then custom size, like I've said initially. I don't want to make this video too long so that you will not get bored watching it. Just making sure that you understand the interface of Canva. It's just like you going to a new place and they start showing you around, or you go to a new house, they start showing you, okay, this is the bedroom, this is the sitting room, this is that. Okay, so it's the same thing I'm doing with you. Yeah, so I'm just showing you the interface of Canva. So when you start designing, you get more familiar with the tools. Okay, so now I've put the size 1080 by 1080 like I've said initially, and this is the specified size for flyer. Okay, though as time goes on you understand better. Now this is the interface of Canva. Now you can see all this thing that we have here. You can see all this. You can see all this that we have here. Yeah, all these things are tools you work with Canva. We have design. Look at different kinds of template. I don't want to use template now. Now these elements that you are seeing now means that you can, this element allows you to insert shapes, allows you to insert circle, to insert shapes, to insert anything. Look at line shapes, stickers. You can add anything from here. Tables, you can even search for it. Okay, so sorry, so you can search. Okay, if I tap on that to search, I can search for anything. Okay, I can search for anything. All right, so that's where element comes in. Okay, so let me click on the plus again. Okay, then also gallery is you can bring images from your device. Then uploads, you can upload files. Okay, these are files that I've worked with, so you can also upload files. But when you start working, you get used to it. You can also upload videos, upload audios, don't worry. Then we also have text, how to add text. So this way to add text, look at, you can tap here to add text. Okay, so you can when you type on text, you can either add normal text or you can add a customized text. But let me just, to add a text, now just tap on this heading. Simply means a bolded text. This one is little bit smaller, then this one is just for the body, small text. So I can just tap on this first one. Now if you tap on it, you can see now. So now let me work with this now. So if I come here, tap on text, now you can see to bring out all this. Yeah, see now to bring out all this. Okay, so now let's start with the edit. If I tap on edit simply means for you to edit this text and type yours. So I can say Max. Okay, Max Enterprise. Sorry. So that's what that edit is, for you to change the text and type what you basically want. Okay, yeah, it's good. So just tap on it. Yeah, so tap on the Max Enterprise. These fonts, now I've talked about what edit is. Now the next one is this font. Font simply means your style, the style you want your text to take. There are different. Canva has so many kinds of fonts. Look at, there are different kinds of fonts they can give to your text that will change the look of your text. So if I celebrate this Bukhari script now, just watch out for the text, it will change. Look at, you see now. So you can check out these fonts, play around with it. Okay, don't worry, when you start creating projects, you understand. Yes, so this is what font does. Okay, change the look of your text, then tap on it again. Then we have the text styles. Okay, how do you want it to be? Heading, subheading, body text. I've already done that. It's already on heading now, so I can come and change it to subheading. Okay, now then we can come here, font size. To this one is to increase your size. Look at, to increase as I'm moving this, you can see what I'm actually, look at this. Okay, so I'm working with that. If I reduce it to reduce, I can even come here and change the number. Okay, so I can say okay 25, or sorry 25. Then look at it will reduce. I can say okay 85, and it will increase. Okay, so basically that is what the font size does, to increase and reduce the size of your text. Okay, good. Now that's that for that. Then color, the next one you are seeing is color. Okay, so what does color do? Color, you know what color does now? Changes the outlook of your text. Or look at, see, we have different colors. You can different colors to choose from. Okay, so play around with them. Then we have, where we have this plus, means that if you can't get the color you want, they can come here, click on this plus, and then use this to look at. So when you use that, you can see that these are color mixtures, okay, or color combinations, okay. So you can actually, yeah, all right. So then, okay, sorry, I forgot something. This code you are seeing are color codes. So sometimes you can go search for color. These are the color codes, okay. You can say color now, you like the color, and you can go and search for color codes on the internet. So you see it gives you this code. You can just come here, input the code, and it will give you the color, okay. So now the next one is this thing, the format. How do you want your text to be like? Look at now, it's already bolded. Some normal, okay, let me come and change the fonts so that you understand this format very well. Let me use a normal font. Some fonts that, okay, definitely you will get, okay, yeah, okay, yeah. So let's say this now. So if I come to that format now, oh no, I need an option. I need this B option to work. That B is for bold. That means you want your text to be bold. I need a font that, you know, there's a font that are automatically bold, like they are automatically bolded. If you select the font, that bold option may not work. So I'll come here now. It should work now. Look at, okay, good. Now look at, so this B is for bold, to make your text bold. If I tap on it now, you can see that, you see what will happen. It will make the text more bolder. You can see the change of the text. It makes it more bolder. This I is to italize it. This font does not. It simply means to your text will just be bent a bit. Then this U is to underline. Want to underline? Okay. Then this A, actually I think is to increase the text. Necessarily not. Okay. Then you come to this point. This one is to the left, to the center, and to the right alignment. So this one is to the left, to the center, and to the right. This is to justify. Then this is to number. Maybe you want to number, you want to bullet, maybe you want to type, okay, for example, now look at, okay, let me do something now. Let me go back. Max Enterprise, right? Good. Let me come and type another thing again. Let me add another text. Click on this plus, come to this text, just add body, this little bit of text. So edit it. Let me type, I want to type, so now I want to add a Max Enterprise deals in, and I want to number it. I want to start numbering it. Deals in, okay. So for me to number it, okay, I'll just come here. Deals in, sorry, deals in. So now I want to start numbering it now. So I'll come here, I'll come to this format. I can number with bullets. This is with bullets, and I can also number with numbers. Okay, so bullet now, look at it, it will number it, or numbers, it will number it. Okay, automatic numbering for you. If you want to number, you want to number anything, it will number it for you. You get it now. So that's how it works. Okay, then we also have spacing. You want to give space. Look at letter space. That is, you can see now. You see what just happened now. Spaces between your letters. There will be spaces between your letters. Look at spaces between your letters. So as I'm increasing it, the spaces between letters will be increasing. Then also, then this line space is to actually increase the spaces between. You can see now that the space between this first one and the second one, you can see that the space, look at the space is increasing. Look at the space is increasing. So look at, you can see the space is increasing. So you want to give us, make your, you know, your words spacious between the first line and the second line. You can use this line spacing. You understand? So this anchor text box is not that important. That's what that spacing does. Then we have the effect. This one is for pictures or images. You want to add shadows. You can also use it for text too, but mostly best for images. Okay, look at, so different kinds of, you know, effects on your text. But it's basically very, you know, this one too, you want it to be curved. Look at, you want your text to be curved. So maybe you draw a, you know, mostly for these logos, you draw a circle and you want to curve your text, you can use this. Okay, so yeah, so let me come here. No, this one now, I want to undo what I did now. I don't want it. That's to undo. Okay, so that's, take to the previous action, just undo it. Yeah, I think this is what we want. I want to go back to the previous action. Okay, I think it's okay. Okay, so tap on it. Then where are we now? We are in effective. Then animate. These ones are for for images. You want your you want to animate the whole of your, maybe your finished work here. You want to give it some animation. Look at, like, want to make it animate. You get it now. Like you want to turn your flyer to video, and you can see that when you do that now, you can see what happens there. There's a play button here when you are animating. If I click on none, that play button will remove, so you now be seeing this, like, okay, it's just like a flyer or an image. You get it now. The one who start working, when you understand better. I'm just, so transparency now, this basically works for images. You want to make like a watermark or something, so transparency is to reduce. Look at the right up, you see that it fades, like, you know, it becomes your object, your text or object becomes, you know, it becomes faint. That's what transparency does. Okay, so but always make it 100 if you unless you want to apply watermark or something, you know, like in letter 8, and just make it 100. Okay, so we are making progress. Then layers works best for okay, where you want each layer to be. You want, maybe you want this max, I want this to be on top of this. I can take this and place up here. So max, if I put max layer here now, max layer is on top of everything. If I take this one now and place it on top of it now, you can see max, this is on top of max layer. I don't know if you understand what I'm doing. Look at this particular text now, it's on top of this max layer because I place this one on top of this. Now you get it now. So that's how it works. So you want your layers to overlap or to want to be above, and that's what you use the layers for. So let me undo it. I don't actually need that. Okay, then we have position. Also, this one works. You want this to be at the back. Maybe you're drawing it. Don't worry, when we start doing project, you understand this position better. Then all these are not so important. Then yeah, basically that's basically the basic tools I need to know for now. Okay, so when we're back on projects, you will get to understand better. So you can also color your background. Now this, if I tap on this now, look at what I tapped on now was actually this white. Now that's the background, right? So you can either replace, you can come here, click on replace, and put an image as the background. You can come here, come to uploads, see where I have upload. You can put, I can make this select this computer now, it will now be the background. So maybe you are creating a design now, you want to add the background picture. Okay, you can use that. All right, you can, if you don't want the picture, you can also replace you can use a color as your background. Look at this color, tap on color, you can pick any color as your background. Okay, you can pick any color as your background. You can even bring in a background, like I use that picture. You can, yeah. So okay, so that's how it basically work. Then also this what you are seeing, this 5 seconds is to, like I've said, it's for you want to turn your flyer to a video. If I come here, click on 5 seconds timing, I can increase the timing to 8 seconds, and then come to this animate and then start animating it. That's the way my text will come in, or the way after designing my flyer or anything, the way it will come in. It will turn, like I said, it will turn to a video. You can see this now, it will turn to a video, but I don't want that, so let me go back to none. All right, so then we have layer. I've talked about layers before, so basically that's how it works. Okay, so by the time we start working or start creating start creating projects, you will get to understand better. So this is the interface of Canva. So this thing you're seeing, this is your work area. Okay, your workspace. All right, so the video has become too long, 18 minutes. So basically, like I said, drop your email and I will give you access to the Canva Pro. All right, so then in our next clip we will start our practicals. I will also send you a clip on how to know that you are using the Canva Pro. That is how to differentiate between the normal Canva and the Canva Pro. All right, so that's basically how it works. Okay, so just understand these elements and their functions, and then you're good to go. So I explained the use of templates. I said templates. Let me go back. So yeah, let me go back. One thing about Canva is that even if you go back, that thing that you just did, that thing that we did, we automatically save. That's one good thing about Canva. So you hardly lose jobs in Canva. you hardly lose job in Canva. That thing we just did now, it will save automatically. Canva will save it automatically for you. Okay, but when you finish your work and you want to save properly, I'll show you that now. Okay, so for templates now, that's you want to work with a template, meaning that you want to just take what they've already designed and just edit and just do yours. Yeah, it's what I call quick fix. Okay, so I can just come here and just search for, let's say, flyer. Just search for flyer. Just search for flyer to bring out different flyers. So templates even gives you creativity, gives you ideas. Or maybe you don't know how to go about designing, or you are looking for ideas on how you want your designs to be. You can come here and search for templates and just take it. You can even design a template if you want to. So yeah, look at now. So maybe you want to design, let's take this, maybe let's take this church. Let me use this one. Let me take this church annual conference now. So if I pick it now, it should just appear, and then you can change anything you want to change. So just wait for it to initialize, but make sure that you have strong data connection, because Canva works with data. Let me see my time. This video must not exceed 23 minutes. So it does not exceed 25 minutes. Okay, so yeah, these ones now are basically, these are templates now. So you can come here, you can change all you need to change. You can come here and say, okay, I don't like the background. You can just come here, tap on the background, or tap on the full background. I want the whole background. Okay, the background is not tap on it, then come to color, and you can decide to change it. Okay, change the, it will change. Okay, you can add that. Then you can come here, you can change anything you want to change. You can come here, you can change the picture. You can see the place now, replace and put anything you want to put. You can come here to tap on this to replace and replace. You can come here, this conference, tap on it. You can edit and change the text. That's what templates works. You can come here and you want your own logo, tap here. You can come here, tap here, and you can actually just so that's how. Don't worry, when we start creating what with templates, you understand better. So basically you come here to save. That's where you save. Okay, if I tap on that now, maybe after working, you can save your work, so it will just save automatically for you. I just wait for it will start saving. So that's basically how Canva works. Okay, but when we in the next clip, we'll start working with projects. Okay, so just practice, get used to the interface, get used to the elements you see and their functions, and I will see you in the next clip. I remain Prof. Sammy. Thank you and stay safe.